Do you have hard water? Well, if you do, you know you get a lot of calcification buildup in kettles and honestly anything that's stainless steel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of that calcification with minimal effort. So that way your stainless steel looks brand spanking new. My name is Angela and welcome to the Nest Homestead. What you need: a calcified stainless steel kettle, 2 used up lemons that you can reuse, reduce, recycle. You'll also need a steel wool scrubber and hot boiling water. Unacceptable! First, you're gonna fill up your kettle with water past the calcification.
You must heed my instructions!
Now grab your 2 used lemons and drop them in. Now you want to nuke it. Pop the cap on and let the boiling do the job. Oh, she boiling! This kettle's about to pop! Once your tea kettle is yelling at you, you know it's at a rolling boil. So you're gonna pop this thing open and let it boil for 10 minutes. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer. Now set it and forget it.
Pure essence!
Alexa, stop timer. Once the timer's off, you just turn off the stove. After your timer goes off, how long do you let your lemons and water sit? That depends on your calcium buildup. If it's a minor buildup, let it sit for 15 minutes to 1 hour. But if it's a lot of calcium buildup, let it sit overnight. Side note, if you need to leave it overnight, set a reminder for the next morning to empty and clean it. You don't want moldy lemons. I got moldy lemons one time. You don't want moldy lemons. That's gross.
Yeah, it's gross!
Whoa! Our calcium buildup is minor, so we'll let it sit for an hour or so. Alexa, 1 hour timer.
1 hour later.
It's been a little bit over an hour, so it's time to clean.
Okay, goodbye, lemon grease!
That left side is where I scrubbed it like very minimally, and it came off like butter. I'm gonna give it a quick little rinse. I'm gonna keep on scrubbing with soap. Just getting nice and deep like all the sides, all the creases and crevices. Now let's rinse. I would say that's pretty much done. Let's see what the inside's looking like. How does the inside look? Brand spanking new! That took little to no effort at all. If you have this problem, give it a try at home and tell us how it worked for you. This has been Angela from the Nest Homestead. Keep growing and subscribe for more tips. Huzzah!
Beautiful!
Got big dreams, just doing random things with my best friend.